Quality is everything. Without quality, everything means nothing. That's why all of our employees start each day with a promise to outdo themselves, to develop lifelines for the buildings of tomorrow. Worldwide and everywhere. We install the building blocks of life and turn spaces into living rooms. In everything we do, we're connected in quality. This didn't start yesterday. It began over 120 years ago with a vision to revolutionize installation technology. Even though we're a global market leader, we've chosen to keep the company a family-owned business and set our own standards. Quality made in Germany is secured by 5 German locations. Products at the highest level are created in the US, China, India and Switzerland for local markets. We keep asking ourselves, how can we help people to live better? How do we make sure that valuable drinking water maintains a high quality? How can we achieve that intelligent technology systems will be commonplace one day, and therefore make drinking water hygiene, comfort, safety, and energy efficiency the global standard? We see things in context, and synchronized requirements, easy installation, and high-grade materials. We make sure quality management is part of the process, and invest in research to look for better solutions and answers for the questions of tomorrow. With the press technology, we enable the installation of pipes and fittings within seconds and develop thoroughly thought-out solutions for the buildings of tomorrow. We provide support with digital tools and an extensive range of services along the whole construction process and combine drinking water hygiene with energy efficiency. We create a range of products where technology and design unite. A perfectly tuned system of over 17,000 products that are available to our partners within hours.
Dependable, day by day.
Viega supplies everything I need, just when I need it.
Close customer relations.
Person to person, professional to professional, on location. We consistently invest in training and qualifications because know-how is the key to success for us and our customers. In seminar centers around the world, we share our knowledge in theory and practice. Because we're all convinced.
Quality is everything. Without quality, everything means nothing.
Viega, connected in quality.